Micklin Law Group, which is a law firm concentrated in divorce, custody, and family law issues for men's and fathers' rights in New Jersey. We have offices in Nutley and Montclair, New Jersey. I'm going to be playing a little bit with the video because I think it may be streaming to a place on my desk that I don't want it to. And I'm trying to get rid of it. So I don't know if I can, but today's tip is about emergent motions in New Jersey. They're called orders to show cause. I did this today, which is December 24, 2018, because a couple days ago I posted a tip about problems you may be having with holiday parenting time, and one of the relief that you may seek to enforce that is an order to show cause. And if you're going to do it, today would be the day to do it, obviously, because the courts may be closed on Monday, and even if they're not, getting in touch with people and getting papers served is going to be difficult. So an emergent motion is an application where, and normally you have to actually go into the court and file the paper. Sometimes they even have forms for you. And there's a certain standard that you need to meet in order to get the relief for an order to show cause. I'm going to briefly touch on that today. So the four things that you need to show when you're filing an emergent application or an order to show cause, first is that you're going to suffer irreparable harm, immediate and irreparable harm. And it needs to be specific. You can't just say, I'm going to suffer immediate and irreparable harm, but you need to specify what specifically that harm will be. Second is the legal right that you're coming into court is not settled, meaning you haven't had a decision on this issue in the past. If it's a parenting time issue, for instance, if you have a schedule in place and the other party is violating it, that hasn't been addressed yet. So that's why you're bringing it forward, and you have to indicate that it has not been settled before. Third is that you need to show that you're likely to be successful on the merits of the argument. You need to, for instance, in the parenting time exchange issue, you need to establish that you have a court order right for parenting time and it's being violated. And then lastly, you need to show that the harm to you by not having the court will act will be greater than the harm to the other person or the prejudice to the other person's side. In other words, you need to show in what's called a balance of the harms that you'll be harmed more than the other person if the court doesn't act. Now, this is a simple recitation of the four elements, and the purpose I do this in my daily tip is to give you a very concise, simple explanation to a very common or problematic topic or issue that my clients deal with all the time. It's not going to be everything that you need to know, especially on a topic like this, but at least it'll get you pointed in the right direction. If you need more information on this and other tips, you can go to my website, which is micklinlawgroup.com. That's MICKLIN lawgroup.com. You can always call me at 973-562-0100 or go to my YouTube page for other videos like this. Thank you.